Hello everyone, for today's magic card trick tutorial, I thought it'd be neat to share with you an easy self-working trick that just involves a regular deck of cards. You have to have 52 cards for this trick or else it probably won't work. So I'm just going to show you that the cards are well mixed, well shuffled, okay? They're not in any particular order. Now, you can have the spectator do this or you can do this, and you want the spectator or yourself just to deal out the cards into two separate but equal piles of cards. Now, the spectator can do this, or you can do it. You just want it done kind of quickly as to not just be sitting around talking, etc., telling jokes, whatever you want to do during this time, okay? And so if a spectator does it, sometimes it can take forever, but if you do it, you can make it faster. However, if the spectator does it, it makes the trick look a little bit better, okay? So now you have the deck separated into two separate piles. Have the spectator pick any pile that they want. That's the one they'll use. Let's say they pick this one. Now, what you're gonna have them do is you're gonna have them turn over the cards one by one, place them on the table. Now, if they put a black card down, you put one card diagonally across from that one, okay? Now they put a red card down, you put it diagonally across from that one. And you do this over and over and over and over again until you either feel like stopping or the spectator feels like stopping or you've dealt out the entire deck of cards. And now let's just do it for demonstration purposes. Let's just deal out the entire deck of cards. Red, black, red, black. You don't know, the order of the cards, etc. You've shuffled the deck. They're well mixed, well shuffled, normal deck of cards. And because of the magic of magic, something magic will happen. Okay, so now here, we're almost done. And like I said, they could have stopped at any time or they could have dealt the entire deck. Now, but wouldn't it be amazing now that they've separated all their cards into all black cards and this pile into all red cards, that you have amazingly made all your cards separate blacks into blacks and reds into reds, okay? And that's diagonal prediction, and it's very simple to do. Before I show you how to do it, please, as always, like and subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I do read the comments and reply accordingly. Also, if you're looking to become a channel member, I'd like to shout out to all my channel members. Thank you very much. If you want to support the channel membership is an easy and quick way to do it through YouTube, and I appreciate all of you, okay?
Also, check out thebestmagicshop.com, where you can find some awesome new magic tricks, accessories, shirts, bags, and more for yourself or anyone who just likes magic.
All right, diagonal prediction. Now for the tutorial. Okay, what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna have a little bit of setup here involved, and you're gonna wanna set up the deck into red, black order. The number of the cards doesn't matter, just the color, okay? So you go through your deck, separate all the reds and all the blacks, and then put them into red, black order, okay? Now, if I do this, you're gonna get bored, so I'm gonna speed this part of the video up a little bit, okay? Okay, so now we have all our cards getting set up into red, black order. There, okay? So you have your setup, okay? Every other card is red, every other card is black, okay? Red, black, red, black, red, black. You can come out, now you're set to go for the trick. You can show the deck, it's just a normal deck of cards, well mixed. No one's gonna be the wiser. Maybe someone will see that they're in red, black order, but it doesn't matter because you're gonna give the cards a shuffle. Now you just give a little riffle shuffle, okay? It doesn't have to be perfect. It's better if it's not perfect, okay? One riffle shuffle, okay? One riffle shuffle. You just don't want to get a whole bunch of black cards together and a whole bunch of red cards together, okay? Everything else doesn't matter. Everything's self-working from this point on, okay? One riffle shuffle as you're doing the trick, and you can cut the cards, just simple cuts as many times as you want. It doesn't matter. It doesn't disturb the order of the cards with regards to, the color red, black, okay? You show the deck that it's completely mixed, and then all you're looking for is any two cards like that are the same color together, like either two blacks like this 4 and 9 are, or if you have, let's see, two reds like this Queen and 3. It doesn't really matter. So you just look for any two cards that are the same color that are together, and then just give a cut of the cards like that, okay? Now, you just do as I did, okay? Have the spectator or yourself, you can do this, and just separate the cards into 2 piles. And like I said, this is completely self-working, so just believe me, you gotta have to try this out. 2 separate piles of cards equal to 26 cards in each pile. And then once you do this and have them all separated out, you know, the magic's already done because of your setup, okay? They can pick any pile that they want, it doesn't matter. Let's say they pick that pile this time. Now you just have them turn over every card, okay? They put a red card down, you put 1 diagonally from that, okay? They turn over another card, it's a black card, okay? You put 1 diagonally from that. And then you just do this over and over and over again. And like I said, they can stop at any time that they want, or you can go through the whole entire deck, okay? So, you know, the whole entire deck is amazing, but if you're, you know, stuck on time here or whatever, then you just can stop wherever you want, okay? It really doesn't matter when they stop, okay? But dealing out the entire deck is probably, I don't know, the most impressive. So every time they turn over a red card, you put it diagonally. Every time they turn over a black card, they turn it, you put it diagonally, okay? You just do this over and over, over and over and over again. And what you don't want, and then this is where your nice riffle shuffle come in. If you have like a, 10 black cards in a row, then it's probably not gonna work. So you just want, 1, 2, 3 black cards in a row, 3 red cards in a row, it'll probably work fine. If you're getting into trouble where they're not matching up because you're getting a whole bunch of black cards in a row, it's because of your riffle shuffle. Now, it doesn't have to be a perfect riffle shuffle. It's actually better if it's not, but just don't get a whole group of cards together, okay? Now, if you've done it correctly, all the red cards have separated and it's just self-working. So you just have to go through the motions, do what I did, and all the colors will be separated. Black, black, red, red, okay? And that's it, it's self-working, give it a shot, just try it out. It's just a setup and then that's it, okay? Easy self-working tricks, I like to bring them to this channel. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. This is a really easy trick to do, really impressive. When you're bored, just give it a shot, okay? Thanks a lot and until next time.